Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. We have a new lesson. Are you ready to learn this lesson? Yes, I'm sure you are ready. In this figure, ray BA parallel to the ray DE. Find the measure of angle C. You know the rules between two parallel lines or two rays with one transversal. But in this figure, we have two rays with two segments. All we need to do is to create two parallel lines with one transversal. So, I draw put a point on the line to help me read this angle. For example, I can read this angle BCF. First, I want to find the angle BCF. So, you know, between two parallel lines with one transversal, the measure of an obtuse angle and acute angle is equal to 180 degrees. So, I can write the angle ABC plus the angle BCF equals 180 degrees. ABC equals, the angle ABC equals 100 plus angle BCF equals 180 degrees. So, the angle BCF equals 80 degrees. Wow, we found the angle BCF, 80 degrees. The next angle that we want to find is angle FCD. You know, between two parallel lines with the transversal, all of acute angles are equal. This is an acute angle. This is an acute angle too. They are equal. So, the angle FCD equals 30 degrees. So, the measure of angle C. What is the meaning of M in this question? M means measure. Measure of angle BCD or angle C. The measure of angle C equals 80 degrees plus 30 degrees equals 110 degrees. In this question, ray AE parallel to the ray BF. Find the measure of angle O. You know, ray AE parallel to the ray BF. But we see two segments. You know the rules between two parallel lines with one transversal. So we draw a line to make two parallel lines with one transversal. All acute angles between two parallel lines are equal. So the angle AOF equals the angle A equals 30 degrees. Angle A equals the angle AOF equals 30 degrees. We have two parallel lines with one transversal. So all of the acute angles between two parallel lines are equal. So this part is 40 degrees. I can write angle B equals the angle FOB equals 40 degrees. So the measure of angle O equals 70 degrees. This question is for you. Please share your answer in the comment below. Ray BA parallel to the ray DC. Find the angle E. The measure of angle ABE equals 20 degrees and the measure of angle EDC equals 105 degrees. Please find the measure of angle E. See you soon!